Hey guys, we are playing Human Fall Flat in the second level, and we're trying to beat it in a minute or a couple of seconds. That's how long we're trying to beat this level. Oh my gosh. I know. I saw some secrets. Have you seen the vent one? That's a secret. Oh. Can you not try? I'm sorry, Jen, you didn't do anything. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no, no, no. No, no. Yes, yo. Oh, no, no. What's even beeping? We can't do it over 5 minutes. I don't know why. I think I don't have enough room. I'm so sorry. Anyways, see it better. No, like this. And I can see it better. See, it looks more clear. Anyways, let's do it. No! This is so hard. If you hear something, that's my mom and dad just watching the Boba Fett thing. New Mandalorian. You can actually do this in your game. This will be easy. Look, and I have to try and beat it. Oh my gosh. It took like 2 minutes. That was accidentally. Stop grabbing. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Wait, stop. Perfect. Go. And whoa. To finish it. Can't be 5 minutes. No. Do it. Yes, we did it, best. Yeah, we did it. Woo. And now, guys, the next one will be the crates. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.